The new Soviet constitution has gone a step ahead and says that the right to work of the choice of the man who wants to work is available to the citizens. In other countries, the choice is not given to the man who wants to work. He can go to the government and ask for a job, and a job is made available to him. He has to accept it whether he likes it or not. But in the Soviet constitution, one can say, I want a job of this kind, and that kind of job should be made available to me, and the khadi of a job is given to him under the new constitution in the Soviet Union. But there is one thing which is to be borne in mind when we take these things into consideration. In all the capitalist countries or the countries which are not socialist countries, the right to work is not made available, and in almost all the countries the duty to work is not made available. There is no duty cast upon the citizens to do their job. But in all the socialist countries, the right to work is given, as well as the duty to work is also cast upon the citizens. Right to work is also related to the duty to do the work in the socialist countries of the world. I have studied so many constitutions of the world in which the right to work and duty to work is given in only one clause itself. The citizens have right to work and duty to work. In one sentence that is mentioned, even in China, the duty is cast upon the citizens to work. In the Soviet Union also, the duty is cast upon the citizens to work, and if that duty is not done, the right will not be made available. If we study the concept of the right, it cannot exist unless there is a duty on the other side. If there is a duty, there will be a right, and if there is a right, there will be a duty. Now, the Indian concept of the duty and right is something different from the Western concept. The Indian concept starts from the duty and ends in right, and the Western concept starts from the right and ends in duty. I say, as a son, I have a duty towards my father. When I have a duty towards my father, father gets a right as against me. When a father has duty towards a son, son gets a right as against the father. This is really proper.